very blissful morning to my lovely Betans. How are you all? Good? I hope beta you all are safe and fine at your places. This is your mathematics class and I am your mathematics teacher. Dear kids, today we are going to start chapter 2 more about numbers and we will begin with activity 1. In activity 1 we are going to study about predecessor and successor. First of all, we will study, we will understand their meaning and then we will learn by doing activity 1. So come, let's begin our class. Dear kids, before going to activity 1 of chapter 2, let's understand the meaning of two new words which are predecessor and successor. Beta, pre means before and as pre means before, so predecessor is the number which comes just before the given number. And how we can find out it? The formula to find predecessor of a given number is we subtract 1 from the number to get its predecessor. We subtract 1 from the given number to get its predecessor. Now successor. If I'll ask you what is success and when we get success after doing a work. हमें सक्सेस कब मिलती है? जब हम किसी काम को कर लेते हैं, करने के बाद. तो successor is the number which comes just after the given number. And how we can find out the successor of a number? We add 1 to the number to get its successor. For finding successor, we add 1 to the given number. So for finding predecessor, we subtract 1 from the given number, and for finding successor, we add 1 to the given number. If we will take one example of it, here 7342 means 7342 is given and we need to find out its predecessor and successor. So how we will do it? For finding its predecessor, we will subtract 1 from it. Minus 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. 4 remains the same. 3 remains the same. 7 remains the same. So predecessor of 7342 is 7341. You can check it by counting also that yes, in counting 7341 comes before 7342. Now for finding its successor, what we will do? We will add 1 in it. So if we will add 1 in 7342, what we will get? 2 plus 1, 3, 4 remains the same, 3 remains the same and 7 remains the same. So successor of 7342 is 7343 and we can check it by counting also that in counting 7343 comes after 7342. So this is the way, these are the formulas by which you can identify predecessor and successor of any given number. Now let's do activity 1. See students, this is your activity 1 of chapter 2 on page number 18. First question is write the predecessor of. Question is asking us to write predecessor. Now A part is given to you. You need to find out the predecessor of 6345. Now how you will find out it? Yes, you will subtract 1 from the given number. Now if we will subtract 1 from 6345, what we will get? 5 minus 1, 4. 4 remains the same. 3 remains the same. 6 remains the same. So yes, 6344 is the predecessor of 6345. So we will write here at 6344 is the predecessor of 6345. Now in B part, it is asking predecessor of 3172. Again, what we will do? Yes, we will subtract 1 from it. Now, if we will subtract 1 from 3172, what we will get? 2 minus 1, 1, 7 will remain same, 1 will remain same and 3 will remain same. So, yes, 3171 is the predecessor of 3172. So, we will write our answer in the book. 3171 is the predecessor of 3172. Students, in the same manner, you will do C, D, E and F part yourself. Now, moving on to question number 2. Question number 2 is asking, write the successor of. Now, what is the formula to find out successor of a given number? Yes, plus 1. We will add 1 to the given number. Now A part is 7999. So how we will find out successor of it? We will add 1 to it. If we will add 1 to 7999, what we will get? 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry. 7 and 1, 8. So, successor of 7999 is 8000. We will write our answer in book. 8000 is the successor of 7999. Now B part. B part is asking to find out successor of 3100. How we will find out? Yes, we will add 1 to it. Now if we will add 1 to the given number, what we will get? 0 plus 1, 1. 0 will remain same, 1 will remain same and 3 will remain same. So 3101 is the successor of 3100. We will write our answer in book. That yes, 3101 is the successor of 3100. Now students, C, D, E and F part you will do yourself in the book. Now moving on to question number 3. Question number 3 is asking to complete the table. Numbers are given over here in between. Where predecessor is written, we need to write predecessor here of the given number. Where successor is written, we need to write successor of the given number. So first is given 9. We need to find predecessor of 9 and successor of 9. So let's find out it. So students, for finding predecessor of 9, what we will do? Yes, we will subtract 1 from it. And if we will subtract 1 from 9, what we will get? 8. And for finding its successor, what we will do? We will add 1 to it. And if we will add 1 to 9, what we will get? 10. So 8 is the predecessor of 9 and 10 is the successor of 9. Now next is 99. Now for finding predecessor of 99, what we will do? Yes, we will subtract 1 from it. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 will remain the same. And for finding successor of 99, what we will do? Yes, plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10. So 98 is the predecessor of 99 and 100 is the successor of 99. We will write our answer in book that 98 is the predecessor of 99 and 100 is the successor of 99. Now students, for 999 and 9999, you will find out yourself in the same manner. Now question number 4. Write the predecessor and successor of the smallest three-digit number. It is asking us to write the predecessor and successor of the smallest three-digit number. Dear kids, this question number 4 and 5 you need to solve in your notebook. So please open your notebook. Write down date and day in your notebook and write down here classwork. Now chapter 2 we are doing more about numbers, activity 1, question 4. Students, please write question number 4 in your notebook. Write the predecessor and successor of the smallest three-digit number. Now, what is the smallest three-digit number? We always start the smallest digit number with 1. So, it is asking for 3 digit. So, 1 is there and we will add 2 zeros in it. So, the smallest three-digit number is 100. Now, how we will find out predecessor of 100? Yes, we will subtract 1 from 100 to find out its predecessor. Now, 1 cannot be subtracted from 0. So, what we will do? We will take borrow. Here again is 0. So, we will move next. Now, we will take borrow from 1. 1 will become 0 and this 0 will become 10. Now, this 10 will give borrow to this 0. So, this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now, we will subtract 10 minus 1 equals to 9 and 9 will remain the same. So, successor of 100 is 90. Predecessor of 100 is 99. Now we will find out successor. And for finding successor, what we will do? Tell me fast. Yes, we will add 1 to it. Now 0 plus 1, 1, 0 will remain the same and 1 will remain the same. So 101 is the successor of 100. So here beta, we have found the predecessor of smallest three-digit number is 99 and the successor of smallest three-digit number is 101. Now write down question number 5 in your notebook. Write the predecessor and successor of the smallest four-digit number. Now first of all find out smallest four-digit number. We will start with 1 and 1 is also a digit. So we will add 3 zeros to it. 1000 is the smallest four-digit number. Now, how we will find out its predecessor? Yes, we will subtract 1 from it. And now again, 1 cannot be subtracted from 0. So, we will take borrow. This 1 will become 0. This 0 will become 10. Now, it will give borrow. So, it will become 0 and this 0 will become 10. Now, this 10 also will give borrow to the 0. So this will become 9 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. This 9 comes same. This 9 comes same. So the predecessor of smallest four-digit number is 999. Now for finding successor, what we will do? Yes, we will add 1 in it. Now, how we will find the successor? We will add 1 to it. 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So, yes, 1001 is the successor of 1000. Okay, students, we have completed activity 1. Dear kids, today we have completed activity 1 of chapter 2 in our book. So, your homework is to complete the activity 1 in your book. And please be safe and fine at your places. Have a cheerful day. Goodbye.